Dear children, welcome grade 6. This is our Hindi 3-year video. I hope you all safe. Again and again I say tell same things. Be safe in your home. Don't come outside unnecessarily. Be safe in a home. In last video and the last two video we saw that vowels and consonant in Hindi letters, that how to pronounce in our Hindi ka, for, cha, for, ta, like that. Then how to pronounce that word in a previous video. In last video we saw that in a 2 letters word and 3 letters word, how to pronounce that 2 letter and 3 letter words. Then what is the difference between the pronunciation of that 2 letter and 3 letter words. Now we are going to learn 4 letter words, and another part is handwriting. This is very important things because some of the students want to need handwriting. So after I will give some practice. Okay, I will give in some words for your handwriting practice in a worksheet. So you don't worry about that. When you receive that worksheet, I will give for some words, 2 letters, 3 letters, 4 letters for your handwriting practice. So you see and copy in any one ruled note. When will you submit your worksheet and classwork, you will submit along with handwriting note also. Is it clear? So first we saw that once I revised that in 3 letter words, then 4 letter words and handwriting part. Is it clear? Now I hope you all understand that vowel sound a, e, that, and next one ka varg, cha varg, for ka, how to pronounce ka, kha, ga, kha. Next cha, ch, ha sound, icha, ha. Like that. In the last video already I taught this. Now we are moving words in a 3 letter and 4 letter words. First I once again revise the 3 letters words, then 4 letter words. How to pronounce the 2 letters, that in a 3 letter and 4 letter, and what is the difference between the pronunciations of that 3 letter and 4 letter words. Now let's see. Now 3 letter words. You too try to read ka, ma, la, kamal, ka, ma, la, kamal. In 2 letter words, you know, do you remember that? For example, in 2 letter ka, la, kal. In 3 letter word, how to pronounce the second middle letter full sound ka, ma, la, kamal. Is it clear now? Now next. Na, ha, ra, nahar. In 2 letter, na, ra, nar. So in middle letter, you see carefully, ha, full sound. But this is, for example, na, ha is if 2 letter, no. How to read na, ha, nah? But here enough 3 letter words. Na, ha, ra, nahar. In a 2 letter, na, ra, nar. And next letter, sa, fa, ra, safar. Ba, ha, na, bahan. Ma, already I told the end of the letter you should say in a full sound of letter, not in a semi-consonant sound, because in a 2 letter, 3 letter, 4 letter, and the along with some difficult words also in hereafter is coming there. So if you read in a half letter sound, no, that is in confused, making so many confuses. So that's why I am telling, whenever you read in a 2 letter, 3 letter, the last letter you should say the full sound of that letter. And bahan. Next, sa, da, ka, sadak. Ka, la, sa, kalas. Na, ma, ka, namak. Ma, ta, ra, matar. Pa, ha, ra, pahar. Next, a, ga, ra, agar. E, da, ra, idhar. U, da, ra, udhar. Na, ra, ma, naram. Fa, sa, la, fasal. Ga, ra, ma, garam. Ha, va, na, havan. Kha, ba, ra, khabar. Ba, ja, na, bhajan. Now when you start the write in a sleeping line, in some letters you see da, ga. You don't write in a full sleeping line above the words, because there is some letters, for example da, ga and cha. These letters are not fully, you don't give a write in a full sleeping line, in a half letters only. Next, once again I read this word. See, ka, ma, la, kamal. Na, ha, ra, nahar. Sa, fa, ra, safar. Ba, ha, na, bahan. Sa, da, ka, sadak. Ka, la, sa, kalas. Na, ma, ka, namak. Ma, da, ra, matar. Pa, ha, ra, pahar. A, ga, ra, agar. E, da, ra, idhar. U, da, ra, udhar. Na, ra, ma, naram. Fa, sa, la, fasal. Ga, ra, ma, garam. Ha, va, na, havan. Kha, ba, ra, khabar. Ba, ja, na, bhajan. Now, you see one exercise, for example, join the letters and make new words. Here, kar is there. Now, pa, sa, ta, ma, and some words. What is that? Ka, chakar, cha. See that? This is for your reading practice. So you see, pa, ka, ra, pakar. Sa, ka, ra, sakar. Ta, ka, ra, takar. Ma, ka, ra, makar. Cha, ka, ra, chakar. Or you understand? See that how to write pa, ka, ra, pakar. And next, sa, ka, ra, sakar. Ta, ka, ra, takar. Ma, ka, ra, makar. Cha, ka, ra, chakar. Is it clear? Now next one, in a single letter, la. Excuse me. Pa, fa, cha, ka, ha. See. Join the letters and make new words. See the first one. You will try and say pa, la, pal. Fa, la, pal. Cha, la, chal. Ka, la, kal. Ha, la, hal. You also write that one. Pa, la, pal. And fa, la, fal. Cha, la, chal. Ka, la, kal. Ha, la, hal. Now is it clear this exercise? This is for just your example for your reading practice. And the next exercise you see. In 3-letter words. First one, ka plus ba plus ra. Join the letter and make new words. How to write ka plus ba plus ra? In Hindi में plus symbol को क्या कहे तो जोड़. का जोड़ ba जोड़ ra. That means if you not understand, you use in a plus symbol. Ka plus ba plus ra. How to write? You remove the two plus symbols and join the letter. See, ka ba ra, kabar. So one new word is coming now. And next, ka plus la plus sa. This is also the same. Ka la sha. Ka la sha. Colors. It's very easy. So this is for your reading practice. And third one, ha plus sa plus la. How to write? Remove the two plus symbols and make a new word. Fa sa la. Fasal. And fourth one, ha plus va plus na. The same. Ha va na. Havan. And fifth one, bhajan. Ba ja na. The same. Bhajan. It's very easy, no? Whenever you have a free time, you do some game like this, ha plus ja plus, then only you identify the letter sound and you improve your reading practice. And now we are moving 4-letter word. Once again I revise this. Listen. Ka plus ba plus ra. How to read kabar. Ka plus la plus sa. Colors. Pa plus sa plus la. Fasal. Ha plus va plus na. Havan. Ba plus ja plus na. Bhajan. And next now we are going to learn 4-letter word. How to pronounce that 4-letter word. It is very easy to learn the 4 letters. Listen very carefully. Now some 4 letters words. I hope you all have your Hindi book, that is in a like Surabhi Shiksha Surabhi book. But in this book they will give some words like in a 4-letter words only. Not in a 2 letters and 3 letters, because some new students also is there. Then they don't know how to read in a vowels and consonant like 2 letters, 3 letters. So that is the main reason for I am giving in this video, in a last video also, the 2 letters, 3 letters for reading practice. But in our book you see that page number 3, a matra sound is there. In a shabd mein 4 letters words only is there given. So we are moving in a 4-letter words. A, ka, Akbar. That is the name, Akbar. Next one. A, ka, ba, ra. Akbar. And next. Sa, la, ja, ma. Saljam. Ma, you see one main things, already you know how First you split the word like this. Is it very easy? Ka, ak, bar, akbar, like that. In a two letters you split and read that, and then you pronounce the word. Ka, akbar, akbar. Ka, akbar, akbar. Sal, jam, sal, jam. Next. Cha, ach, ra, ja, achraj. Ha, ra, ka, ta. If you have one doubt now, you asked me, ma'am, all letter are in full sound. You told no, ma'am. You told in a I told in a full sound, but in 4-letter words, how to read? You split the two letter. This is the main thing. Ha, ra, har, ma. This rules for only in a without barakadi. நம்ம இப்போ பார்த்த எல்லா இதுலையுமே பாரக்கடி இல்லாத லெட்டர்ஸ் தான். அதுக்கு மட்டும்தான் இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம படிக்க முடியும். இன் பாரக்கடி அண்ட் செமி கான்சனன்ட்ஸ் along with words, that words pronounce is different. Now ha, ra, ka, ta, harkat. A, ga, ma, na, agaman. Ka, ma, ra, ka, kamrak. Ja, ga, jag, ma, ga, jagmag. Da, sa, ra, ta, dasrat. And a, ra, ha, ra, arhar. Ha, la, cha, la, halchal. Ja, la, cha, ra, jalchar. Sha, ra, ba, ta, sharbat. Ta, ra, ma, sa, thermos. Ta, da, pa, na, darpan. Ga, da, ba, da, gadbad. A, ja, ga, ra, ajgar. Ba, ra, ga, da, bargad. Sa, ra, ka, sa, circus. Now you see, once again I read these words. See, a, ka, ba, ra, akbar. And next, a, ka, ba, ra, akbar. Sa, la, ja, ma, saljam. Okay, already I told you split the two letters. How do you pronounce the 2 letters words? Like you split two letters and then you read. This is very simple way of reading in a 4-letter words. A, cha, ach, ra, ja, raj, achraj. Ha, ra, har, ka, ta, kat, harkat. A, ga, ag, ma, na, man, agman. For example, you split these words. Ag one meaning, man one meaning. So then only I told you split the two letters and then read. A, ga, ag, man, agaman. Ka, ma, kam, ra, ka, kamrak. Ja, ga, jag, ma, ga, mag, jagmag. Da, sa, ra, ta, dasrat. Da, sa, das, ra, ta, rat. Next, a, ra, ar, ha, ra, har, arhar. Ha, la, hal. Cha, la, chal, halchal. Ja, la, jal, cha, ra, chal, jalchar. Sa, ra, sar, ba, ta, bat, sarbat. Ta, ra, tar, ma, sa, mas, tarmas. Da, da, dad, pa, na, pan, dadpan. Ga, da, gad, ba, da, bad, gadbad. A, ja, aj, ga, ra, gar, ajgar. Ba, ra, bar, ga, da, gad, bargad. Sa, ra, sar, ka, sa, kas, sarkas. Ma. What is the difference between the sound of in a three letter words and 4 letter words? You see very carefully. In a last third letter here, that is make in a semi-consonant sound. Here in a second letter and 4th letter. In a 2 letter words, like these 4 letter words, is very easy to reading for like the 2 letters words. Again and again told, you split the two letter and you try to read. Very easy. You see here full sound in a middle letter. Na, ma, ka, namak. The last end of the third letter is will make a semi-consonant sound. But here da, sa, like in a 2 letter words. Da, sa, das, ra, ta, rat, das, rat. Is very easy, no? Now we see we will going to learn some words in a 4 letter word. Some more words you see. Ka, ra, ka, ta, karkat. Da, ma, ka, la, dankal. And pa, ra, par, cha, na, parchana. Next, upa, cha, ra, upachar. Ka, sa, ra, ta, kasrat. Ga, na, pa, ta, ganpat. Ta, ra, ka, sa, tarkas. Cha, la, ma, la, chalmal. And sa, ra, ha, da, sarhad. Next, ka, ma, ya, ka, ma, ma, you don't need these words. And fa, na, ga, ta, fungat. Now listen. Ka, ra, kat, ka, ta, kat, karkat. Da, ma, dam, ka, la, kal, dam, kal. Pa, ra, par, chana, chana. Here a matra sound is there. Upa, upa, chara, upchar. Ka, sa, kas, ra, ta, rat, kasrat. Ga, na, gan, pa, ta, pat, ghan, pat. Ta, ra, tar, ka, sa, kas, tarkas. Cha, la, chal, ma, la, mal. Sa, ra, sar, ha, da, had, sarhad. Fa, na, fun, ga, ta, gat, fungat. Once again I revise the same 3 letter and 4 letter. நீங்க நினைக்கலாம் என்ன மேம் இதையே ரிவைஸ் பண்றாங்கன்னு. Reading is very must in our Hindi portion. Then handwriting, 2 part is very important. Reading and handwriting. So that's why I am reading one by one once again for you. Be carefully, listen. Ka, ma, la, kamal. Na, ha, ra, nagar. Sa, fa, ra, safar. Ba, ha, na, bahan. Sa, da, ka, sadak. Ka, la, sha, kalash. Na, ma, ka, namak. Ma, ta, ra, matar. Pa, ha, ra, pahar. A, Gara, agar. Idara, idhar. Udara, udhar. Narama, naram. Fasala, fasal. Garama, garam. Havana, havan. Khabara, khabar. Bajana, bajan. This is 3-letter word. Now we are moving in a 4-letter word. Again and again I tell the same thing. You split the word and read very easy. Akbara, bar, akbar. This is the name, Akbar. Akbara, akbar. Sala, sal, jama, jam, sal, jam. Acha, ach, raja, raj, achraj. Hara, har, kata, kat, har, kat. Aga, agmana, man, agman. Kama, kam, raka, rak, kam, rak. Jaga, jagmaga, mag, jagmag. Dasa, das, rata, rat, dasrat. Ara, arhara, arhar. Hala, hal, chala, chal, hal, chal. Jala, jal, chara, char. You split the two letter and read. Shara, sharbata, bat, sharbat. Tara, tharmasa, thermos. Tada, tadpana, tadpan. Gada, gadbada, bad, gadbad. Aja, ajgara, gad, ajgar. Bara, bad, gada, gad, bargad. Sara, sarkasa, sarkas. Next one. Kara, kar, kata, kat, karkat. Dama, dam, kala, kal, dam, kal. Para, parchana, parchana. Upachara, upachar. Kasa, kasrata, rat, kasrat. Ma'am, you see this word parchana. Ma'am, you told no ma'am in the last letter semi-consonant sound, but here having in a full sound. You see very carefully, the na is not this one, the na. Aki matra along with the a matra. So the na sound. Para, parchana, chana. In matra sound we will see in the next class. And semi-consonant also. Kasa, kasrata, kasrat. Gana, gan, pata, pat, ghan, pat. Tara, tarkasa, kas, tarkas. Chala, chal, mala, mal, chalmal. Sara, sar, hada, had, sarhad. Phana, phan, kata, gad, phan, gad. Now we are moving in a handwriting part, how to write in a ruled note. See. In the first video already I told how to write the consonant, how do you start the letters in below the line or above the line. See, this is your ruled line note. Like your note, the first one, when you keep the finger in below the line or above the line, you start in a below the line. For example, ka, ra, kar, pa, ra, par. Ma, in 2 letters, 3 letters, 4 letters words I will given in a PDF, worksheet for your handwriting practice. You see and write in a ruled note. Any one ruled note you do practice daily, one page. This is very must. When will you submit your worksheet, another classwork note and worksheet note, along with you will submit your handwriting note also. See, ka, ra, kar, pa, ra, par, cha, la, chal. You write like this space. You give some space between 2 words. Ka, ra, kar. Then only your handwriting notes look very neatly. And pa, la, pal. You see very carefully. Below the line, you start writing. Ha, la, hal. And a, ba, ab, a, ga, ag, I, ka, ik, I, kha, ik, u, sa, us, na, un, eka, ek, aina, ain. The matra in from your left side. See, not like the opposite side. Matra like from your left side. Ain. Next. O, sa, os, au, ra, ta, aurat. And next. Ka, ga, kag, cha, ga, chag. You see that cha letter, the line is here, but you keep the sleeping line in middle of the line. See, like this one, chag. And ga, la, gal, ga, ra, gal. And pa, ra, par. Already written. Par is already written. So, bus. And ba, sa, bus. Next. Ya, sa, yash. Ra, ta, rat. Sa, ba, sab. Next. Iksha, na, shan. Ta, ba, tab. Pa, tra, patra. See how to write in a below the line. And one more thing, you leave one line and write. Here I am not having space, so I write one by one. But you have in a line more in your classwork note or any one ruled note. So after complete one line, you leave one line, then you start in another line. And space also For example, in a primary section, already you know that you keep your index finger and leave some space and then move to second words. So like that you to write, give some space and write neatly. Then in your ruled note you leave one line and write it, because if you not leave the line, the handwriting is fully like a scribble. என்ன சொல்றது, அது பசம்சான இருக்கும், அசிங்கமா இருக்கும் பார்க்க. So you must leave one line. This is main thing, and leave some space between one word to another word. Now you see, karakar, parakar, chalachal, palapal, halahal, aba ab, aga ag, ika ik. You see each and every letter below the line, not the above the line. Maximum you do the main mistake while making mistake in a writing time. What? In above the line maximum. See, like that. So it is wrong. See, how is this handwriting? Is neat or good? Is neat? No. So below the line handwriting only is very neatly. So this is the rules. Is it clear? So dear children, I hope you understood this video in a vowels. In the last 2 video, vowels, consonant and 2 letters, 3 letters and 4 letters words without barakadi. Then we are not moving in a semi-consonant and matra a, that is in a matra, e matra. In hereafter we will see and discuss that matra a and semi-consonant. First in 3 video you see very carefully and learn how to pronounce the 2 letter and 3 letter words. Then we are moving in a semi-consonant and barakadi, that is in a matra a. Like in a book also is very easy way to learn how to read in each and every matra they will given in our book. So we will discuss in next video. Be safe in your home. Thank you.